for you.
I know what you're thinking. I've taken your asthma into account. There's a feline geneticist in San Diego who's developed the cutest little hypoallergenic calicos.
Leonard, listen to me.
I've been thinking about names. I'm kind of torn between Einstein, Newton, and Sergeant Fuzzy Boots.
Leonard, do you really think you can satisfy your need for a relationship with a genetically altered cat?
Maybe. If it's a cute little cuddly cat.
Oh, come on, Leonard. This is obviously about Penny.
Doesn't matter. The woman's not interested in me. The woman rejected me.
Okay, look. I think that you have as much of a chance of having a sexual relationship with Penny as the Hubble telescope does of discovering at the center of every black hole is a little man with a flashlight searching for a circuit breaker. Nevertheless, I do feel obligated to point out to you that she did not reject you. You did not ask her out.
You're right. I didn't ask her out. I should ask her out.
No, that was not my point. My point was, don't buy a cat.
No, but you're right. I should march over there and ask her out.
Oh, goody, we're getting a cat.
Yeah, no.
Oh, hey, Leonard.
Good afternoon, Penny. So, hi, hey. I was wondering if you had plans for dinner.
You mean dinner tonight?
There is an inherent ambiguity in the word dinner. Technically, it refers to the largest meal of the day whenever it's consumed. So, to clarify here, by dinner, I mean supper.
Supper?
Or dinner. I was thinking 6:30, if you can go, or a different time.
6:30 is great.
Really? Great.
Yeah, I like hanging out with you guys.
Us guys?
You know, Sheldon, Howard, Raj. Who else coming?
They might all be there. Or a subset of them might be there. I mean, algebraically speaking, there are too many unknowns. For example, Sheldon had Quiznos for lunch. Sometimes he finds that filling, other times he doesn't. It's no fault of Quiznos. They have a varied menu.
Okay, whatever. It sounds like fun.
Great. Did we say a time?
6:30.
And that's still good for you?
It's fine.
Because it's not carved in stone.
No, 6:30 is great.
I'll get my chisel.
Why?
To carve the... Okay, I'll see you 6:30. How do I look?
Could you be more specific?
Can you tell I'm perspiring a little?
No. The dark crescent-shaped patterns under your arms conceal it nicely. What time is your date?
6:30.
Perfect. That gives you 2 hours and 15 minutes for that dense molecular cloud of Aramis to dissipate.
Is it too much?
Not if you're a rugby team.
By the way, if it should ever come up, you didn't join us because you stuffed yourself with a chicken carbonara sub at Quiznos.
Why would I join you?
No reason. Oh, you know what? Maybe this isn't such a good idea.
Oh, no. Well, now, there's always the possibility that alcohol and poor judgment on her part might lead to a nice romantic evening.
You're right. Alcohol, poor judgment. It could go well.
Of course, there's the other possibility that this date kicks off rather unpleasant 6 months of the two of you passing awkwardly in the hall until one of you breaks down and moves to another zip code.
You could have stopped it. It could go well.
If I could have, I would have.
I mean, I'm a perfectly nice guy. There's no reason we couldn't go to the restaurant and have a lovely dinner. Maybe take a walk afterwards. Talk about things we have in common. You love pottery? I love pottery. You know, there's a pause. We both know what's happening. I lean in. We kiss. It's a little tentative at first, but then I realize she's kissing me back. You know, she's biting my lower lip. You know, she wants me. This thing is going the distance. We're going to have sex. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Is the sex starting now?
I'm having a panic attack.
Oh, okay. Well, then calm down.
If I could calm down, I wouldn't be having a panic attack. That's why they got a panic attack.
All right. Would you just sit down? Yeah, sit down. Now, close your eyes.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay.
Now,